Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set custom wallpaper on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the Themes app on your smartphone. Now from here, you can select any theme from here, or if you want to set a custom wallpaper on your smartphone, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now from here, you can select any image from the gallery of your smartphone, just like that. Now once you select an image from the gallery of your smartphone, just tap on Set as Wallpaper. Now from here, you can set it as your lock screen wallpaper, or you can set it as your home screen and lock screen wallpaper. Just like that. And this is how you can set custom wallpaper on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.